Hello everybody, it's Kay and I'm an academic and career specialist with majortocareer.org. Thank you for watching. I decided to start this YouTube channel to be able to help professionals make the connections from major to career. What I have done in every one of my videos is incorporate my over 13 years of experience in higher education at 5 different higher education institutions to be able to help you strategize for success. Today, we're going to do just that with the linguistics major. If you are interested, stay tuned. And folks, linguistics is the scientific study of language. The main goal of linguistics, like all other intellectual disciplines, is to increase our knowledge and understanding of the world. Since language is universal and fundamental to all human interaction, the knowledge that we attain in linguistics has many practical implications. Stay tuned as we talk about the job outlook and pay. Folks, academic and career specialists such as myself rely heavily on the Occupational Handbook by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And what that does in terms of helping you as you identify your major and career is we see the trends in the market and we're able to communicate to you information that you can then use to decipher if this is an appropriate major for you based on your goals. When it comes to the pay for linguistics, it looks like for majors, you're looking at a median salary of $80,480 in May 2020. I think this was actually for the speech language pathologists, which is a common job title when it comes to the linguistics major. The lower 10% earned less than $50,370, and the highest in the 10% range earned more than $122,790. When it comes to the job outlook, employment within this major is projected to grow 29% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for other occupations. There's about 15,200 openings within the linguistics careers each year, and we think that that's also going to be consistent throughout the decade. So I really do think if you have an interest in linguistics, then this is definitely the major for you. First job title I will talk about is that of a broadcast journalist. You know, when I think of journalists and the work that they do in communicating with people from all walks of life, especially if they get to travel to different locations to cover the news, then it makes sense that linguistics would be a major because, you know, the art of communicating and language is so critical and important, and the ability to speak multiple languages and engage with others as you're communicating a story, communicating an experience is really, really valuable. The world is becoming a global village, and so is our news coverage and what's happening across the world. So this is definitely a major that you should consider in a job title that is probably really fundamental in this day and age. The job title I will talk about, this is actually quite obvious, and many people in linguistics end up being a lexicographer. And it's amazing because whenever I travel, if I'm going to Europe, if I'm going to different parts of the world where they speak multiple languages, I always have those translator books with me. And I love them because all I have to do is just turn the page and it's like English to that language translation, and you're able to communicate with the people and work your way through. Yes, there's somebody that actually works within that industry. And so definitely consider this job title if you feel that you want to work behind the scenes, but really use your linguistics degree to make a difference in the world. The third job title I will talk about is actually within education, and that's a foreign language instructor. Whether it is at the elementary level, whether it is at the high school level or the college level, I really do think that this is a valuable career because you're able to make a difference and impact young people as they grow and learn these languages. And so it's definitely a job title to take a look at. Very stable. There's a lot of stability with it. And again, with the world becoming such a global village now, I do think that there's lots of room and opportunities in utilizing these majors with varied interests. So folks, it always seems as if we run out of time, but I do know that the YouTube videos have to be short. So what I've done is I've provided even more additional job titles that you can reflect and take a look at if you are curious about the linguistics major. Take a look at them below. And if you would like to know about the best way to ensure success from your major to your career, please take a look at my blog. I have shared some 5 proven techniques that will be able to help you be successful. Remember, folks, employers hire people, not majors. And so as you're thinking about your degree, what you want to do, think holistically, learn it, understand it, find out what you can do in the job market with it, and then you'll be proven successful. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and please, please, please leave a comment. Ask a question. If you have pursued this degree, give your experience. I think this is what this is all about, creating a space where we can talk about these academic options and be able to have conversations about different things we can do with them. So I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Kay. Thank you for watching. Bye.